Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how we can fix if Wi-Fi is not showing on your Windows. So if you are using your Windows and Wi-Fi is not showing on the taskbar and also on your settings, then let's go quick into the process on how we can fix that. So first is we need to check the WLAN auto config service because if it has stopped running, then you will really face the issue. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type services. Now click on services under the best match. Now scroll down to the W section and look for the WLAN auto config service. This one. Make a right click, select properties. Startup type, make sure that is automatic. If it has stopped running, then you need to click on start. Click on apply, click on OK. You can also click on the restart button from here. Then close this window. Now for the next method, go ahead in the Windows search bar, type ncpa.cpl. ncpa.cpl control panel item, simply click on that. And here you'll find your Wi-Fi. Simply make a right click and then select disable. Once you disable that and you will enable again, that will refresh it. So wait for a while. Then make a right click, select enable. And you will be connected again. And then for the next method is make a right click at the start button. Then you have to select device manager in the list of options. We also need to make sure that our network driver is updated. So here you need to click on network adapters. Look for your network driver, make a right click, select update driver, browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And here you just need to choose one by one as to what will work for you. So click on next. Windows has successfully updated your drivers. Close this window. And after that, you just need to make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. And for the next method is you need to go back to the same device manager window and then make a right click on your network adapter, select uninstall device. Click on the uninstall button and after that, you just need to make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. And after you have restarted your Windows, that will automatically reinstall the network adapter or driver that you have uninstalled from your Windows. And for the final method, click on the start button and go to settings. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you'll find network and internet. Scroll down and you'll find advanced network settings. Under more settings, you'll find network reset. Click on that. So make sure to remember your connection password or your Wi-Fi password. Click on the reset now button and you have to click on yes. And after that, your Windows will be restarted and you just have to enter your connection password again. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.